All right, guys, we're gonna start this basement in the backyard. We got this great outdoor living room set up out here with a TV, little sitting area. Perfect entrance into this custom finished basement. As you walk in, see straight ahead, you have this awesome bar with reclaimed lumber and concrete counters. The detail on this is amazing. This was done by the homeowner. These guys have great eye for design and obviously great taste. But yeah, how sharp is this? Love it. Love this coffered ceiling above the bar. We kept the bathroom situated close to the back door for convenience of parties and whatnot. We have great tile floor, big shower, wide open. Don't even think you need a shower door. We have the toilet behind that door there. Even some great tile on that wall as well. Even check out this floor, all tile, real sharp looking. We have a gym over here. There's some columns in that wall. We kind of buried them between the glass French doors. So this area here might get like a pool table or something. And you can see some from here. We have this great counter. Again, like it's like a concrete stone, all reclaimed lumber. We put a couple of built-ins on each side with the fireplace below. Real sharp, real sharp. Decorative columns with the trim. Painted, you know, nice touch on the paint too. And when you come in from the house, there's a glass French door at the top, and then you'll see the reclaimed lumber there as well. And cool railing. Get a look from this side here. We took these columns and we created this seating area. That'll be theater seating going in there. And what's nice about it is we'll get seating in here and then bar seats here, and then the rest will be wide open. And the fact that we have all these great windows that lead to the backyard, letting in all this natural light, you can't help to think that you're just in the home. You're not in a basement. Tray ceiling over these two areas. But yeah, it's a good look at another custom finished basement. Thanks for joining me, Gus.